Suppressing contacts who never engage with your emails is the best way to keep your list clean and healthy. But before unsubscribing your inactive contacts, you may want to send them a re-engagement campaign just to give them one last chance to stay on your list. Once you've sent that campaign, give your contacts a few days to open it, and after a week or so, you can go ahead and suppress those who didn't. To start the process, open the Contacts tab and click Segments, then build a segment. You'll see a few options for some of our pre-made segments, but you can also build one yourself. In this example, we'll build it from scratch. First, give it a name, for example, Inactive Contacts. Then, select a filter. We recommend using the Contact Activity filter as it takes into account your contact's activity from both campaigns and automated emails, as well as the date your contacts subscribed. Select the inactive and not added within as the operator. Now you can go as far as 365 days for the time frame, but in this example, let's use 90 days. Once your segment is saved, go back to the Segments tab and click on the drop-down menu next to it to view the contacts in that segment. Select all these contacts by clicking on the drop-down menu next to the email address header and choosing Select All. Now you can unsubscribe them by clicking on Actions and selecting the Mark as Unsubscribed option. You'll see a confirmation pop up with the number of contacts you're unsubscribing, and once you confirm, your inactive contacts will be unsubscribed.